Hello everyone, today I am discussing about entrance question of subject chemistry which are frequently asked in every college exam. What is German? German silver is alloy of this. Now how to remember? German silver contains only atomic number, only the elements having atomic number 8, 29 and 30. That is nickel, copper and zinc. This is atomic number 28, 29 and this is 40. Now answer is B. Which one is used as nail polish remover? Butanol, acetone, stearate and all. Alcohol cannot be used as nail polish remover and salt cannot be used as nail polish remover. Now answer is B, acetone. Molecular formula is CH3, C double bond O, CH3, also known as propane-1. It contains ketone group. Question number 3. Electrons present in Cl minus ion. Minus charge indicates that chlorine has got one electron. That is, chlorine has 17 electrons because its atomic number is 17 and there is presence of 17 protons plus 1 minus charge is added, that is equals to 18. Therefore answer is 18. Answer is C. Question number 4. Which one is combination reaction? Combination reaction actually means synthesis reaction or addition reaction. Option B is decomposition reaction. This is also decomposition reaction. Option D cannot be because this B is displacement reaction. So option A is the answer. Therefore Na plus O2 gives 2 times NaO2. This is combination reaction. Question number 5. What is the molecular formula of limonite? Now we have to remember that limonite contains water of crystallization. Ag+ don't have water of crystallization. Option B has water of crystallization. This is silica gel and this is hematite. Now it contains 3 times water of crystallization. So option B is the required answer. Which is an example of soap? Option A, DDT, BHC, sodium stearate and all. This DDT and BH is an organic insecticide, so it cannot be example of soap. Therefore, sodium stearate is example of salt. Which molecular formula is C17H35. Water gas contains what? Water plus carbon dioxide, water plus carbon monoxide, hydrogen peroxide plus carbon dioxide, none. Now we have to remember that water gas means there must be water and this gas contains carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide plus, so option B is the answer. H2O plus CO. Question number 8, we have arranged them according to high reactivity order. We know fluorine is more reactive than chlorine due to higher electronegativity, and fluorine has a smaller size than chlorine. Fluorine more reactive than chlorine. Chlorine is more reactive than bromine. So you have to remember that chlorine is more reactive than chlorine and bromine. So option C. What is general formula of paraffins? Paraffins are saturated hydrocarbons, and these are alkanes. Now alkanes contain CnH2n plus H2, this or all. Alkane general formula is this. Therefore, option A is the answer. CnH2n plus 2. Now, what is the color of chromium oxide? Purple, blue, green, or brown? This purple is manganese oxide, blue is cobalt oxide, this is chromium oxide, and this is iron oxide. Therefore, answer C is green. Aqua contains conc hydrochloric acid and conc HNO3 in the ratio what? Now you have to remember that if there is conc hydrochloric acid, then this is always in 3:1 ratio. Therefore, option D is the answer. 12 we have what is the electronic configuration of Cr? Cr means chromium. You have to remember that atomic number of chromium is 24. Here also you have 24. Here also, if you add, you will get 24. Now this Ar means argon atomic number is 18. Now you have to remember that when you cross atomic number 20 in periodic table, then first we have to keep 3D, then 4s. 3D, then 4s. Therefore, 18 plus 5 plus 1, that is equals to 24. Therefore, answer is option A is the answer. You have to remember that it contains odd numbers or odd electrons. What is the molecular formula of what? Heavy water. This is water, deuterium oxide, hydrogen peroxide known. You have to remember that heavy water contains deuterium oxide. That is option B is there. Deuterium oxide. Promoter using Haber's process is manganese oxide, sucrose, glycol, or molybdenum. The answer is molybdenum. The reaction between caustic soda and fat is called what? Caustic soda. Soda plus fat. That produces ester. Caustic soda. Caustic soda actually means sodium hydroxide plus fat gives ester. Therefore, esterification is the answer. Question number 16. Isomers always have the same melting point, chemical formula, reactivity, boiling. Isomers are those compounds which have same molecular formula but different structural formula, which has same molecular formula or chemical formula. Glass is a crystalline solid, polymer, supercooled liquid, non. Glass cannot be crystalline or polymer, therefore it is supercooled liquid. An example of organic insecticide is aldrin, formal, stearate, or formal stearate is salt, this is liquid, so aldrin is answer. Empirical formula of benzene, this is molecular formula of benzene, and this is structural formula, empirical formula of benzene. Empirical formula are always in simple multiple whole number ratio. Some questions of physics you can see on board. These questions are frequently asked in entrance exams. Question number 1 we have, what is the dimension of force? Dimension is expressed in terms of MLT. For mass it is M, distance or length it is L, for time it is T. Since force equals to MA, formula unit of mass is kg, unit of acceleration is meter per second square, that is equals to for kg replace capital M, for meter replace L, for time T square, that is equals to ml T power minus 2. Therefore the dimension of force is ml T power minus 2. Therefore option C is the answer. Which one of the following is a vector quantity? Pressure equals to F by A, that is equals to force by area, which is scalar quantity. Electric current does not follow vector rule, and this is scalar. Gravitational potential is scalar quantity. Therefore torque is vector quantity. Torque tau equals to Rf, therefore tau vector equals to R into F sin theta. Therefore option A is the required answer. What is the unit of power? Since power equals to work done by time taken, that is W by T. Unit of work is joule. Joule one time taken. Now joule means Newton meter. Again Newton means kg meter per second square into m upon s. Therefore T equals to second, that is equals to kg meter square per second cube. Therefore option C is the answer. In question number 4, the resistance of wire depends upon. We have option length, area, both A and B, In option D we have none. By the formula of resistance, R equals to resistivity into length upon area. Since resistance is dependent upon length and area, therefore option C is the answer. Color of light is characteristics of amplitude, wavelength, velocity, frequency. Since color of light is always dependent upon its wavelength, therefore option B is the answer. Number 6, you can see 500 gram of oil at 0 degree Celsius is heated with the help of burner. What amount of heat is required if its specific heat capacity is half of the water? Now given mass equals to 500 gram, that is equals to 0.5 kg. dt equals to 100 minus 0 degree, that is equals to 100 degree. Since the specific heat capacity is half of the water, that is 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius upon 2, that is 2100 joule per kg degree Celsius. Now by formula Q equals to ms dt, mass is 0.5 kg, specific heat capacity is 2100, del theta is 100, that is equals to 105 joule. Now we need answer in kilojoule. Now divide by 1000, that is equals to 105 kilojoule. Therefore option C is the required answer. At what temperature will the Kelvin scale double the Fahrenheit scale? Since Kelvin scale double the Fahrenheit scale means Kelvin scale K, that is equals to 2 times Fahrenheit scale. By the formula or relation we have F minus 42 upon 180 equals to K minus 273 upon 100. Or F minus 32 upon 9 equals to K equals to 2 times F. This is from equation 1 minus 273 upon 5, or 5F minus 160 equals to 18F minus 2457, or 14 times F equals to 2297. Therefore option D is the answer. The velocity of a body is v equals to a plus bx, where x is displacement. Then what is the unit of b? Given v equals to a plus bx, since dimension of b equals to dimension of bx, we know the dimension of b is p power minus 1, and dimension of x is displacement. That displacement is always represented by L. So L cancel, or p power minus 1 equals to b. Therefore b equals to p power minus 1, that is equals to second. Therefore option A is F. Call is wearing a glasses of minus 2D. Lens used by or is, if there is minus 2D, if there is minus sign, then it indicates concave lens, and C is using concave lens. So answer is B, concave lens. In question number 10, 1 joule is equals to how much odds? 10 ounce, 10 to the power 5 ounce, 10 to the power 7 ounce, 10 to the power minus 7. Since 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power 7 ounce. Unit of EMF is same as force, energy, pressure or potential difference. Since unit of EMF is volt, that is equals to joule per coulomb. Since the unit of potential difference is also joule per coulomb. Sound is question number 12. We have sound is measured in hertz, decibel, both A and B and D non. Since sound is always measured in decibel. Question number 1, you can see who invented modern periodic table. Henry Moseley invented modern periodic table. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are known as olefins, paraffins, alkene. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are called as olefins. In question number 3, you can see light is a longitudinal wave, electromagnetic wave, both A and B are transverse wave. Since light is a transverse wave. Number 4, you can see what is the unit of resistivity, volt, ohm, farad or not. Unit of resistivity is ohm.